Do you like the Start menu in Windows 11? Is this Start menu something you miss? Here's how to use a completely free tool to get a Windows 7 or Windows XP Start menu in Windows 11 in less than 5 minutes. Greetings, Dennis Ray here. On this channel, we discuss practical free software that everyone ought to have. OpenShell is a free and open source program that restores Windows 7 and Windows XP traditional start menus. I'll demonstrate how to install it, give it a fantastic appearance, and personalize it to your liking today. So where can you get OpenShell? Well, I'm glad you asked. There are a couple of different sources, and the first one is at GitHub, and I'll put links for these websites in the description below. So once you're in this web page, if you scroll down to downloads, you hit this link to go to the download page, and that will take you to this website where you can scroll down and there's a link to download OpenShell. But there's another source, and that will be majorgeeks.com. And you can see that I was recording this during Halloween time. But anyway, you can scroll down. There's some information you can read about OpenShell. And there's a video too that will tell you how to use it. When you're done with that, you can come up to either one of these two links, hit them, and that will download OpenShell for you. Do you enjoy receiving freebies? I think so, which is why we discuss freeware, the best software available on this channel. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel if you enjoy being frugal, even if you consider me cheap. Thank you. Now that we've downloaded OpenShell, let's install it. So go to the Downloads folder and open up the setup file by double-clicking it. Welcome to OpenShell Setup Wizard. Next. License agreement. I accept the terms of this license agreement. Sure. Next. Now, I don't want all these items installed, so Classic Explorer, I don't want that, so I'll X that out. And the OpenShell menu we want, and OpenShell update I want. So next. Click to begin the installation. Okay. And it's installing. Finish. Okay. And now we have our menu. Very good. Let's take a look at the different settings that OpenShell has. First of all, there are two different listings on this particular menu, one for programs and one for apps, which is rather nice. Let's go to OpenShell menu settings. And in here we have these tabs on the top. And the first one, Start Menu Style, where you can select which style of menus you want, either Classic style, Classic with 2 columns, or Windows 7 style. At the bottom here, you can replace the Start button with OpenShell's own buttons, the arrow button or the Classic Start button, or you can make up your own. Then there's a tab for basic settings, and I won't go through these, but you can take a look at those and you can change them as you like. There's a skin tab. And here you have menu, theme, light, dark, use system setting. And you can take a look at the rest of these settings and make it the way you want it. Skin, you have a choice of different skins that you can select. Right now it's on immersive, but I rather like smoked glass, so I'll change it to that. Okay. And then you have taskbar, and you have some settings that you can play with there too. And these aren't all the settings that you have. If you can put a check mark there, this will bring up all the tabs for all the different settings that you have. And I'm not going to go through all these because that would make this video way too long. But let's go back to the menu, take a look and see what we got. There's our smoke glass look, which is very nice. And then you have a classic menu on Windows 11. That was OpenShell. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and take care. Bye.